Good morning, Roberto. I see something new.
This is our brand new remote control table, key, okay? The name is Profs. It is a positioner for patient that needs to take X-ray for
Wait a moment. I have a student and he's curious to know how it works. This is the student.
Am I glad to know what is this first? This is technically it is called remote control because the operators who use the system can use the system even from remote with a remote console. Okay. This is a patient positioner for patients who needs to take X-rays for any kind of purpose, broken bones on any kind of that.
Recently I broke my nose.
So for sure you have a picture, an X-ray, and then a picture of your nose. He can take picture as well. This is a big part of the machine. It is producing the X-ray. So, okay, the patient is lying on the tabletop, and the lower part is the device that is called flat panel detector, which is in charge to produce the image.
Okay,
Okay.
great.
So we have X-ray here, photons that goes through the patient, and the device with the bottom of the patient will produce the image. So let's suppose that you want to take an X-ray of the nose, so only fit the system in order to position you in upright position. So you have to stand in front of the desk. Once the table is in the orthotical position. And the position, the X-ray tube right in front of your face because your nose is in the middle of it. So you have to turn it,
Okay.
like this, turn your head like this, and so I will focus my X-rays close to the nose, and now I am ready to take the picture of it out. Just don't move, do it normally, but don't move. Boom.
Great.
Hey, we are done.
We're done.
Everything is all set.
Thank you very much.